Hey everyone, this is Brandon in Recast Software, and in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you something that I think is amazing. So, if you install the Recast right-click tools for Intune browser extension, and your team uses ServiceNow, what you can do is highlight a device, right-click on it, select the Recast software node, and then access the tools just like you would in the Config Man console extension. So, we'll do right-click tools, console tools, system information, since it's one of our more popular tools. Hit open. And you get that same experience, which is awesome. So you can do this anywhere that has a device name. It doesn't have to be ServiceNow. It can be any ticket management system or reporting tool like SSRS, but it's super useful. So I hope it's useful for you too. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.